ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ॐ। अथ दशमः पाठः भूकम्पविभीषिका। प्रस्तुतोऽयं पाठः अस्माकं वातावरणे सम्भाव्यमानप्रकोपेषु अन्यतमां भूकम्पस्य विभीषिकां द्योतयति। Now भूकम्पविभीषिका is the fear of bhukampa, earthquake. प्रस्तुतः अयं पाठः, this chapter, this 12th chapter, I mean 10th chapter is वातावरणे, in the environment, in our day-to-day situations, sambhavyamana prakopeshu, in the environment, in the nature, sambhavyamana, which is likely to happen, which is very probable, sambhavyamana prakopeshu, these disasters, natural disasters that are going to happen, and of these, anyatamam bhukampasya vibhishikam dyotayati. Of these natural disasters, bhukampa is one such. Earthquake is one of them. And bhukampasya vibhishika, the damage, the fear, the panic caused by earthquakes is one of them. प्रकृतौ जायमानाः आपदः भयावह प्रलयं समुत्पाद्य मानवजीवनं संत्रासयन्ति. प्रकृतौ is in nature, in the सप्तमी विभक्ति एकवचन. प्रकृतौ जायमानाः आपदः. Apadah is disasters or troubles. Jayamanaha in the Shatranta form, I mean Sharashanta. Jayamanaha, Jayamanau, Jayamanaha in Pullinga, Jayamana, Jayamane, Jayamanaha in Strilinga, and Jayamanam, Jayamane, Jayamanani in Napumsakalinga. Right? Now here Apad is in Strilinga, in Bahuvachana. Therefore, Jayamanaha. Jayamanaha Apadaha Bhayavaha Pralayam. Those which are born, these disasters, these problems keep Jayamana, they keep coming up. They are presently continuous. It happens every time. They keep taking birth. Bhayavaha Pralayam Samutpadya. Bhayavaha Pralayam. They create a surge of, a cascade of bhaya, of fear and panic. Samutpadya, after creating that, after manufacturing it, Manava Jivanam Santrasayanti. It Santrasayanti is fear, frighten, to damage, to distress. It distresses the Manava Jivana. It distresses the human life. Tabhihi Praninam Sukhamayam Jivanam Dukhamayam Sanjayate. By these disasters again, Praninam api Sukhamaya Jivanam. Even the allegedly happy life of these animals also become stressful and very sorrowful. Sanjayate. Etasu pramukhaha santi. Of these, the important ones are Janjhavataha. Janja is what? Hurricane. Janjhavataha. Bhukampanam, earthquake. Jaloplavaha, tsunami. Ativrishtihi, torrential rains, thunderstorms. Anavrishtihi, drought. Shila skhalanam, landslides. Shila is land, skhalanam, falling, landslides. Bhuvidaranam, what is that? Cracks in the earth, cracks in the soil. Jwalamukhaspotadayaha. And Jwalamukhaspota is the volcanic eruptions, Adayaha, etc. Atra Pathe Bhukampa Vishaye Chintanam Vihitam. Yat आपत्काले विपन्नतां त्यक्त्वा साहसेन यत्नं कुर्मः चेत् दारुणविभीषकया संरक्षिता भवामः. Atra पाठे. Now the gist of the lesson is, the moral of the lesson is here, Chintanam Vihitam. Now the main thought which is to be taken from this lesson, Atra Pathe, yat, is that Apatkale Vipannatam Tyakta, having given up our fear-stricken attitudes, the panic that usually naturally comes by these natural disasters, giving it up by using our discrimination, using our brains. Sahasena yatnam kurmah ched. If we act quickly, sahasa is quickly, immediately. If we act immediately as the situation demands, daruna vibhishakaya samrakshitaah bhavamaha, by the aftermath or by the monstrous damages that might happen, samrakshitaah bhavamaha, we will be protected, we can be protected. Ekot, now we will go to the story. Ekottara dvisahasra Kristabde, Ekottara is plus 1, Dvisahasra is 2000, 2000 plus 1 is 2001. Kristabde, Ishveya Varshe, in the AD, Common Era, CE, Ganatantra Divasa Parvani Yada, Samagramapi Bharata Rashtram, Nrityagita Vaditranam Ullase Magdamasit Yada, Ganatantra Divasa Parvani, when in the Republic Day festival, Yada Samagramapi Bharata Rashtram, when the entire nation was, the entire Bharata country, the nation was, Nritya Gita Vaditranam Ullase Magnam, was engrossed, was involved in the Ullasa, the entertainment, in the excitement of the Nritya, Gita and Vaditra, the accompaniments, the instruments, the music and dances and parades, when it was engrossed, tada asmaka akasmadeva, instantly from an unknown source, akasmat eva gurjara rajyam pariyakulam viparyastam krandana vikalam vipannancha jatam. Gujarat Rajyam, the state of Gujarat, Paryakulam, it became distressed, it became anxious. Viparyastam, it got distorted. Krandana Vikalam, it was shattered by cries and loud shouts. Krandana Vikalam, Vipannancha, it became disastrous. Jatam, it happened. Bhukampasya daruna vibhishika समस्तमपि गुर्जर क्षेत्रं विशेषेण च कच्छ जनपदं ध्वंसावशेषेषु परिवर्तितवती. भूकंपस्य दारुण विभीषिका, the great monstrosity of the earthquake that happened in Gujarat. Samastamaphi Gujarat Kshetram, the entire state of Gujarat. Visheshena, especially the Kutch, the run of Kutch, the Kutch Janapadam, the village, the town of the district of Kutch. It became no more than Dhvamsa Avashesha. It became just rubble, just shattered pieces. Parivartitavati, and such a earthquake had the capability to transform an entire district into just ashes, mud and rubble. Bhukampasya kendra bhuja nagaram tu mrittika kridanakamiva khanda khandam jatam. Bhukampasya kendra bhutam, the focus, what we call the epicenter, the focus of the earthquake, which is the point at which the earthquake emanates. Bhujanagaram, that was in Bhujanagara. It was a city called Bhuj. To Mrittika Kridanakamiva, just like the clay toy. Kridanaka is a toy. Mrittika is clay or soil. It was reduced in matter of seconds. Khanda Khandam, it was broken and it was shattered. Jatam. Bahu Bhumikani Bhavanani Kshanenaiva Dhara Sayeni Jatani. Within seconds, Kshanenaiva Bahubhumikani, the multi-storied buildings, Bhavana is building. Dharashayini Jatani. Dharashayin means that which sleeps on the ground, which means which lays prostrate on the soil. So Dharashayini means it lays prostrate. It lays flat. So those tall buildings, floor after floor, which were built, all of those multi-storied buildings now lay flat on the ground. Dhara Shayini, as if they were sleeping on the Dhara. Dhara is earth. Dhara Shayin is the Pratipadika. In Napumsakalinga and Bahuvajana it becomes Shayini Jatani. Utkhata Vidyuddeepa Stambhaha. Utkhataha. Vidyut Deepa Stambhaha. They were uprooted. Utkhata means uproot. What were uprooted? Vidyut Deepa Stambhaha, the street lights, the electric street lights were uprooted. Vishirnaha Griha Sopana Margaha. They crumbled. What crumbled? Vishirnaha Griha Sopana Margaha. The steps that were there in the houses, the staircases, all of them crumbled. Bharadvaye Vibhakta Bhumihi. The earth split as if into two. Bhumi Garbha Upari. Bhumi Garbha Upari. Nissaranti Durvar Jaladhara Mahaplavana Drishyam Upasthitam. Bhumi Garbhat, from the, as if from the womb of the earth. Nissaranti Durvara Jaladhara Here it could mean two things. One, it could be the steam or the fountain of water that comes, the hot water that comes, that springs up from the hot mantle, the hot crust below, from the underground water. Durva, that is one. Jaladhara, that is the stream of water that was flowing. Or the other one is the tsunami, Mahaplavana, the tsunami or the great waves which come because of an earthquake. And these are Durvara. Durvara is difficult to escape, difficult to minimize, difficult to mitigate or prevent. So those are called Durvara. Now these have come from the Bhumi Garbhad Upari, from the womb, as if from above the womb of the earth. Mahaplavana Drishyam Upasthitam. Now the present situation was Mahaplavana Drishyam. It was getting flooded. Everything was getting flooded. Or it also means that toxic gases were also released probably. Sahasramitaha praninastu kshanenaiva mritaha. Sahasramitaha, counting to 1,000, numbering to 1,000, praninaha, the animals, to kshanena eva mritaha. In just a second, they were all dead. Mritaha, dead. Dhvasta bhavaneshu sampiditaha sahasrasho anye sahayatartham karunam krandanti sma. Dhvasta bhavaneshu, from the demolished buildings which had fallen over them, sampiditaha, they were about to get crushed by the weight of the buildings. Sampiditaha sahasrashaha anye, and the other people who were crushed, the 1,000 of people who were crushed under the buildings and their own houses and the ceilings, sahayatartham, for asking for help, sahayata, asking for help, karunam krandanti sma, their pains, their cries were so heart-wrenching. Karunam, it was desperately asking for some help, and it was very sorrowful. Karunam, it actually literally means compassionate, kind, but it means heart-wrenching cries. Ha Daiva, Kshut Kshama Kantaha, Mritaprayaha Kechana Shishavastu, Ishvara Kripaya Eva, Dvitrani Dinani Jivanandharitavantaha. Kshut Kshama Kantaha. Kshut is hunger, Kshudh from the Pratipadika Kshudh, which means being hungry. Kshama is without water, without food and without water. These throats, these parched throats, Kantaha, Mritaprayaha, they are as good as dead. Mritapraya means as good as dead, similar to dead. Kechana Shishavastu, these little infants, because their parents are dead now, no one is there to feed them or give them even a little of water. Ishvara Kripaya, as if from by the grace of the Lord, Eva, Dvitrani Dinani, they lived for a maximum of 3 days, 2 to 3 days. They lived, they held on to their prana. Jivanam Dharitavantaha, they held on to their lives. Iyamasid Bhairava Vibhishika Kacha Bhukampasya. This was the Iyam is Esha. This was the furious, monstrous, frightening aftermath of the Kutch earthquake, Kutch bhukampasya, panchottara dvisahasra kristabde, pancha uttara plus 5, dvisahasra 2000, 2005, ईश्वीय वर्षे कॉमन एरा अपि कश्मीरप्रान्ते इन् काश्मीर पाकिस्तानदेशे इवन् इन् पाकिस्तान च धरायाः महत् कम्पनं जातं. देयर वाज अ ग्रेट ट्रेम्बलिंग इन द अर्थ. धरायाः महत् कम्पनं, अ ग्रेट ट्रेम्बलिंग इन द अर्थ had happened. यस्मात् कारणात् लक्षपरिमिताः जनाः, numbering the account of people up to a lakh, that is 10,000, I mean 100,000 people, akala kala kavalitaha abhavan. Akala is untimely, without, they didn't have timely deaths. It was unfortunate, and it was a disaster, it was a calamity. Akala kala kavalitaha, akalena, in the wrong time, that is unfortunately and instantaneously. Kala kavalitaha. Now here Samskrita has a lot of synonyms, and it has a great potential for puns. Here kala means, one meaning of kala is yama or death, because time eats us. Time is our final yama. And so kala kavalita, kavalita is to be eaten and swallowed, to be digested. So we were digested, they were digested by the fearful untimely death, which means they attained to swarga, that's all. They were dead. Yasmat karanat, because of which, because of this great trembling in the earth. Prithvi kasmat prakampate. Why does the earth tremble like this? Why do earthquakes happen? Iti vaijnanikaah vishaye kathayanti. The scientists say, what do they say? That yat पृथिव्या अंतर्गर्भे विद्यमानाः बृहत्यः पाषाणशिलाः यदा संघर्षणवशात् त्रुट्यन्ति. They said that पृथिव्याः अंतर्गर्भे, of the prithvi, of earth, in the antargarbha, in the inner mantle, or in the crust, maybe near the mantle and the crust, where the vidyamanaha brihatyah pashanashilaha, the great rocks and continents, or when there are these plates, we call this plate tectonics, right? These plates, when they brihatyah, these are very vast, they constitute entire countries and continents. Such large masses of rocks, shilaha, yada sangharshana vashat trutyanti, when they break under the stress and pressure of friction. Sangharshana is friction, or when they are rubbing against each other, vashat, because of that, they trutyanti, they crack. Tada jayate bhishanam samskhalanam, then bhishanam samskhalanam jayate, there's a furious and enormous energetic trembling, samskhalanam, that one goes down and one goes up, that falling happens. Samskhalana janyam kampanancha, because of this plates going one below the other and one falling into the another, the plates tremble, they move. Kampanam cha. So because of that, samskhalana janyam, it is born out of this movement. Tadaiva भयावह कंपनम धरायाः उपरितलम अपि आगत्य महाकंपनम जनयति. तदा एव, because of that भयावह कंपनम, that panic causing earthquake, धरायाः उपरितलम, it comes to the upper surface. Upari, tala is surface, upari is upper. See that, upper, upari. Do you want to see that similarity there? Don't you notice that correlation? Upari, upper. Uparitalam api agatya. Now that wave causes to come to the surface of the earth. There it causes the Mahakampan. It causes a great trembling, a great movement of the earth. Janayati. It causes that. Yena, because of which Mahavinasha Drishyam Samutpadyate. The great destruction, the great scene, this great drama of destruction happens. ज्वालामुख पर्वतानां the volcanoes are called Jwalamukha Parvata because they have the faces of Jwala, they have the faces of fire. ज्वालामुख पर्वतानां विस्फोटैरपि भूकंपो जायते इति कथयन्ति भूकंप विशेषज्ञाः. भूकंप विशेषज्ञाः is the geologists or the seismologists, those who study earthquakes and the earth geology. Bhukampa Visheshajnaha, those who are experts in this studying earthquakes and seismology, what do they say? Kathayanti Jwalamukha Parvatanam Vispotaihi api, even by the sudden eruptions, the explosions of the volcanoes, also an earthquake can happen. पृथिव्याः गर्भे विद्यमानो अग्निर्यदा खनिज मृत्तिकाशिलादि संचयं क्वथयति. यदा पृथिव्याः गर्भे, in the womb of the earth, that is within the earth, विद्यमानः अग्निः, when the inner agni, the inner fire of bhu, which is earth, yada khanija mrittika shiladi sanchayam kothayati, because of the inner heat of the earth. You know that the earth has a core, you have studied in science. Because of the inner heat of the earth, what happens? Khanija, minerals, mrittika, mud and soil and silicates, shila, rocks, adi, etc. Sanchayam, the enormous mass and collection of all of these three, ores, minerals, rocks and soil, all of that, what happens? Kwathayati, it begins to boil. Kwathayati. Tada, when this happens, tat sarvameva lavarasatamupettya durvaragatya dharam parvatam va vidarya bahirnishkramati. When this boiling happens, tat sarvameva, all of that at once, lavarasatam upetya, it attains to the status, it gets promoted to the status of lava. The lava rasa is this lava flow of molten material. It attains to that status, and then durvaragatya, it is irresistible, it is inevitable, it can't be held back, it can't be prevented. Durvaragatya dharam parvatam va vidarya, it breaks open through the earth or the soil, or it could also break open out of mountains. It could even break even mountains. Va vidarya is break open, is splutter. Vidarya bahir nishkramati, it comes out, it exits out, it appears out with a lot of force. Dhuma bhasmavritam jayate tada gaganam, when that happens, dhuma bhasmavritam, the entire gagana, which is the sky, gets enveloped. Avritam, by what? Dhuma bhasma, by smoke and fog and by ashes. Celsius तापमात्रायाः अष्टशताङ्कताम् उपगतोऽयं लावारसः यदा नदीवेगेन प्रवहति. When this lavarasa, the flow of lava, that happens when अष्टाशत अंकताम उपगतः, Celsius तापमात्रायाः, in the Celsius degree scale, the degree Celsius scale, when the lava rasa, which has reached over 800, a mind-boggling 800 degrees Celsius of heat, of temperature, when that has happened, upagataha ayam, when that happens, this eshaha lava rasaha, what happens? When it flows with the speed of a nadi, when it flows with the in the pace of a river, with so much of force, when it flows, pravahattada parshastha gramaha, the neighboring villages, those little huts that they have built surrounding a hill or a mountain, parshastha gramaha nagarani va, even cities va, tad udare kshanenaiva samavishanti, within seconds all of it will enter into its tad udara, into its stomach, as if it was eating away all of these villages. Samavishanti, they enter. Nihanyate cha vivashah praninaha. Helpless. Vivasha is helpless. Praninaha. The helpless animals, what can they do? Nihanyante. They also get consumed. They are dead. They are killed. Jwala mudgirantah ete parvataha api bhishanam bhukampam janayanti. Jwala mudgirantah. Now these volcanoes which are spitting out flame and lava, these parvataha, these volcanoes also, they can create the janayanti, they create bhishanam bhukampam, they create the fearful, ferocious earthquakes. Yadyapi daivaha prakopaha bhukampo nama. Even if earthquake can be put under the category of a natural disaster. Natural disaster is daiva prakopa. We say prakriti vikopa. That is daiva prakopa. Here daiva doesn't mean God. It means that which is beyond our control. That is called daiva here. Tasya upashamanasya na kopi sthira upayo drishyate. Tasya upashamanasya, to have it in our control, to seize it. Upashamana, na kopi upaya. There is no one perfect sthira upaya. There is no one permanent solution to all of it. It can't be found. Drishyate. Na drishyate. Prakriti samaksham adyapi. Prakriti samaksham adyapi vijnana garvito manavaha vamanakalpa eva. Prakriti samaksham, in front of nature, the gigantic enormity of nature, in front of it, we feel that we have known all of nature through science. Vijnana garvita, we take pride in our science. Who? Manava, every person, man and woman, child, student, everyone, scientist, doctor, everyone takes pride in that we have known a little bit of science and we seem to have conquered nature. Yet we are Vamanakalpaha eva. We are timid. We are covered. We have a lot of covered eyes. We are cowards actually. And we are no more than pygmies. We are no more than just dwarfs in front of the strength of nature. Tathapi bhukampa rahasya kathayanti yat. Even if we are so, even if in our pride we become stupid and cautionless, the bhukampa rahasya, those who know jnaha rahasya, the secret of bhukampa, of earthquakes, that is those seismologists, what do they say? Kathayanti, they say that bahubhumika bhavana nirmanam na karaniyam. You shouldn't build, you shouldn't construct bahubhumika bhavanam. You shouldn't construct these multi-storied mega scrapers, skyscrapers, all of that. You shouldn't build that because the pressure on earth at that surface will increase and it will likely fall down under its own weight during earthquakes. Tatabandham nirmaya बृहन्मात्रं नदी जलमपि नैकस्मिन् स्थले पुञ्जीकरणीयम्. Not only that, tatabandham nirmaya, after building a lot of banks, dams and embankments and reclaiming seawater, doing all of that, constructing all of this, brihanmatram nadi jalam, the sheer enormity of the river water. You know, when you have visited a dam, you can see on the reservoir part of the dam, you just see it's as good as an ocean from our view. So much of water is carried in through rivers, just the sheer volume of it. Brihanmatram nadi jalamapi na ekasmin sthale punjikaraniyam. You shouldn't collect it. You shouldn't hoard so much of water of such enormity at just one place. Anyatha asantula vashat bhukampanam sambhavati. Asantula vashat, because of the imbalance in this weight, asantula, because of the weight of this so much of water at only one place, this difference in the weight, what happens? Bhukampas sambhavati, earthquake is likely to happen, probable to happen, sambhava is there. Vastutah shantani eva panchatatvani kshiti jalapavaka samera gaganani. Now this word is nice. It is actually in a chandas. क्षितिजलपावकसमीरगगनं क्षितिजलपावकसमीरगगनं. Yeah. So vastutah, in fact, shantani eva panchatatvani kshitijala samira gaganani. The five elements of earth, water, fire, air, and sky. All of that panchatatvani, the five principal elements, are shantani. They are peaceful by themselves. Bhutalasya yogakshemabhyam kalpante, for the benefit of the earth, for the welfare and protection of the earth, for procurement. Yoga is to procure welfare. Kshema is to maintain it. Kshema bhyam kalpante. Now, always kalpante is preceded by a chaturthi vibhakti. So therefore, yoga kshema bhyam is for, that's a chaturthi vibhakti, for the welfare of earth. Kalpante, they exist. They come in hand for it. किंतु अशांतानि खलु तान्येव महाविनाशम उपस्थापयन्ति. But they are, when they are triggered, when they become ashanta, when they are not in equilibrium, ashantani tu khalu tanyeva, they themselves, which were the cause for protection of the earth, now become furious and can cause Mahavinasham, greatest destruction to earth itself and to all of mankind. Upasthapayanti, they can show how capable they are. They can show their prowess. So that was this lesson. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.